Hi, welcome to my Bootstrap for the beginner tutorial, and here I'm trying to share how you can actually utilize Bootstrap to design responsive websites. And if you're watching this particular video, I do believe that you do understand something about HTML, CSS and what it can do. So just for a brief, HTML and CSS and JavaScript helps you to design websites, web applications, and now you can actually try and share your ideas with others, share your information with others. So if you want to design a responsive website and if you want to do it quickly, Bootstrap is the tool for you. Okay, so uh, try to understand why do we need Bootstrap, why do we need responsive websites. So for that, I just would like to show you some few things here which will let you know why do we need actually Bootstrap. So suppose you're designing a website and you want your users, the viewers, to read your website details and the information which is attached to your website in a cell phone. So if you're making a website just for the desktop, it will not work because user have to scroll left and right to see the content. But Bootstrap allows you to design such a website which is responsive, you can say fluid, which can adapt itself to any device which you actually see. So nowadays we are having so many different devices. We watch websites in television, we watch website in uh, mobile devices, iPads, tablets, different kind of phablets. So as a designer, if you if you are trying to design something which is gonna be openable on every device, you have to learn something which is what we call a framework, Bootstrap. Yes, obviously there are other frameworks as well, but this particular tutorial is about to Bootstrap. So I'll show you how you can learn Bootstrap. I'll show you how you can design using Bootstrap, and if you want to learn more about different frameworks, I'm going to share one of them, which is what we call Foundation Framework. So Foundation Framework also allows you to design responsive front-end websites, and this is a great framework. Trust me, this one is also a great framework. So if you want, you can learn this too. And eventually, if you learn Bootstrap, you can easily understand what this particular Foundation Framework is. So what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is nothing but a collection of CSS and some JavaScript codes which allows you to design quickly, very quickly actually, responsive websites. Okay, so and yeah, obviously you need to understand some browser prefixes, you need to understand less CSS if you're working on Ruby and Rails and different languages. But if you're just HTML designer, you don't need that. But if you want to be a pro web designer, you need to learn Grunt, less CSS, make scenes. There are so many different things that you need to learn. But just for the starting point of view, you don't have to go into so much detail. All you need to learn how to work with Bootstrap, how you can utilize the CSS which is provided by Bootstrap into your own website, how you can override CSS, how you can write your own classes, how you can utilize the JavaScript which has been provided by Bootstrap, and boom, you're ready to go. Yes, that's so simple, trust me. So let's start with basic introduction. Right now we are working with currently Bootstrap version 3.3.7, as you can see here. Okay, and now Bootstrap 4 is coming. Okay, so when I have started working, it was 2.3.2, which was working with a spans, and it's still you can find these kind of documentation somewhere in the web, but eventually you don't need that because this framework has been upgraded to this version. Now they're moving towards Bootstrap 4, which is even more fluid in terms of designing website, easy to learn. So if you know Bootstrap 3.3.7, you can easily understand Bootstrap 4. But at the end of this tutorial, I will also show you how you can actually design using Bootstrap 4 as well. So thank you. Let's jump into the Bootstrap section in my next video.